Okay, welcome guys to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're going to be looking at making some stuff that's already in Blender for maybe a phone background, or maybe we could do this from a computer background or something like that. So what you want to do first and foremost is take the camera right here. We're going to go to the output section up on the side, and what I'm going to make mine for is my phone. You can go ahead and make this for a computer if you want to. You just need to find out the pixel size for your phone or for your computer. Google should be able to easily tell you what it is, or you could contact the company and say like, hey look, I'm looking to make some backgrounds. Can you tell me my pixel size for my screen, kind of thing. So what we're going to do, I'm going to first and foremost get rid of the default cube, and then I'm going to go to the render section, change out the EV to cycles, and I'm going to go ahead and add in a plane. So let's go ahead, scale this out, make it nice and long at the back. I'm going to have this as a slide angle, I think. Let's see. Right, we could go about here. So if you go view, aligned view, align camera to view, so that we've got this view right here. I'm just going to go ahead and split the atom for you guys so you can see what's going on top and bottom. So this right here will be our phone screen, or if you're doing a computer screen then you'll have your dimensions here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of this light to begin with. We can go ahead and add, usually people call it Susan, but it's a monkey's head. So what I'm going to do, let's go G, bring this up, and what you want to do is just go ahead and just angle it so that it sits on the plane that we've just made. Let's go G, bring this down, just try and get it as accurate as you possibly can. I'd say about there. It's probably about right. Okay, so once we've got this, I'm going to press G, bring this forward. So this is more like a project just to kind of show you what you can do really with Blender. And also say like you're a beginner or something like that and you want a nice little funky foam background, you can go ahead and make this. Let's just pull this across right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and just stick this in the middle so we've got that nice little monkey head just in the middle. So you can have this at any angle that you want to. For me personally, I'm just going to keep it like that. So, we've got one monkey's head right there. And what we can do with this is we can go material. And if I just go to the render, if you just scroll at the top right here, you can get to the viewport shading. You see that we've got the viewport shading right there. We're going to go new. And for this particular one, what I'm going to do is glass for this. So maybe we could just change down that roughness just a little bit. Kind of make it glass. Let's go with a nice little purple. Just for this one. And I'm going to go ahead and add another plane in here. Now I don't like using the lighting on Blender. I don't know what it is about the lighting on Blender. It just doesn't sit right with me. So we're just going to get a plane and change it to an emission. I feel that you've just got so much more control with planes than you do with the regular lighting. I don't know. It's just like my own kind of opinion on this. So once you've got this kind of strip lighting going on, we're going to press new. Change principal BSDF to emission. You can change this to like strip lighting if you wanted to, like rename it. Let's go with that. Yeah. Right, okay. So this is our strip lighting right here, and you can see that we've got this nice little kind of cascade of stuff going on. I'm just going to go ahead and alter that monkey's head because I feel that it's not even on the bottom right there. I could like see that from the top with the shadows. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on here. So it just sits. This background right here, I'm going to go, let's go to shading real quick. Click new. And this one can just be bumped material. Just like a real quick build on this, don't worry about it. Just drag this across right here, just with the center scroll. Let's go add We'll do texture, we'll do noise. You want to do colour to base colour. You got this nice little noise going on. Just kind of pull it in a little bit, just shade that up a little bit. Let's go ahead and add. We'll go colour ramp. Just in the middle. If you pull the black across, you'll get a little bit more detail. If you pull the white across, you'll get a little bit more detail as well. If they're separated, they're more contrasted. So you could kind of place something like this. We could go add and we could go bump. So bump texture right here. You want to go ahead and add the colour to the height. So just go ahead and change that up. Now you've got this nice little bump going on. So what I want is, this is metallic. Change down the roughness. So we've got that nice little shade. But then we've also got a little bit of texture too. If you go ahead, just click and box select this. You want to be able to select everything, all these three. We're going to go Shift D. Just move this down to the bottom. And we're going to go colour. And you kind of want to just stick this in roughness. Eventually it will load in. That should give you a little bit more texture. So if we go back to layout, we can now see that we've got this nice little glass monkey's head right here, and then we've got this kind of nice little texture going on. I personally would take the metallic down just ever so slightly, just to kind of buffer that off a little bit. No, that sucks. But anyway, you get the idea of the tutorial. If you guys are seeing this, hold on. If you guys are seeing this, one second. My Blender just crashed. Blender just like completely crashed. So yeah, if you can get this project done, really great, because we were just at the end of it. But clearly my computer didn't like that. So yeah, enjoy the next tutorials, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.